Don't hit the shit. So far, this is what it's looking like. This shit's about to be full. Hold on, little one. Hold on. Relax. Daddy's coming. You want to try to put one more? I can put another one on here. Hold it.
Set your phone down.
Hold it, goddammit.
Okay. What are you videoing this?
I'm live right now, but it's not heavy.
Yeah. Why the hell am I driving a forklift when we got two? You could pick that up and go in there, can't you?
Hey, I'm not overusing my body. Not today. Fuck nah, y'all already got like fucking 4 months of that shit. Hard work. Jeez. Come on, get it up. Yeah, go up. Here, take that with you. Slowpoke Rodriguez. Let's go. Oh, oh, oh. All right. Told you go up. Now you can go. I don't even drive these things, and I command them on what to do. Ain't that something? I mean, I can, but this one right here got so many problems, bro. Like, it should throw itself inside the bin. Just had to put water in it. Look at this thing. This thing's bad. I gotta help it pull this. I feel you. Come on. Alright. I'm gonna go up there and pull it. Almost. Alright, well, hit it. Bang it, bang it. Have sex. Bang it. Come on. In gear first. Bang it, bang it. Oh. Hey, clutch kick, baby. Hey. Alright, so basically the plan is just to clean up a little bit. That's it. Y'all see what we throwing away. If y'all need something off of this, hey, I ain't giving you permission, but you know where it's at. That's why your boy be like so, like, in shape. I don't go to the gym, but I be hoisting these damn bikes and shit all over the place. Without this right here, I'm normally dragging this and then picking it up on my damn self and putting it in the bin. Literally, that's how hard work I work over here. Come on, little man. He's struggling so much. Zach would have been over here doing 360s and stuff. Come on, little man. We get this guy shit though. Just because he's like the little brother that could or couldn't. I don't know, one of them. Come on. Come on so I can push that thing in here. Hey, oh yeah, hey. Alright, go up. Now come out. Come out. I know, I'm holding it. Turn it the other way. There you go. There you go. Now go up with it. Tilt it back. Tilt it back. There we go. Now go up. You good. Like I said, I don't ride these things, but I know what to do. Make sure this thing don't fall, because it look like it wants to fall. Yep. Mr. Man. Hey, you gotta be able to see all this. Nah, just push it out of your way. Ain't no way I'm gonna be able to hold this thing out of the way. Oh my God. Go up, fool. I'm not even stressing how long this takes because honestly, I don't want to be doing nothing else right now. Jeez. That's crazy. This bike wasn't even that bad when it came in. It actually ran, but then it set, and it ain't ran no more. We're just getting rid of stuff now. Nobody that I know even have this bike, so it don't even matter. All right, tilt it, tilt it, tilt it. There we go. Back out some? Almost. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I got you. Oh, push it off. Yeah, that do it. Yeah, they do it. Look at all this crazy stuff, man. All this. Y'all want this? How y'all doing? Like literally all this junk got to get away just so we can make more shelves and stuff right now because we're about to extend the back gate and stuff a little bit further and stuff. So we must have more inventory, more space. I'm trying to get this stuff ready. What? You finally got it in the first try? My man. We learning things. All right, now we got this 750 right here in pristine condition, okay? Missing a few parts, but I think like $100 to get you back up and running. Not sure how, but it looks good. I'm out to probably this one right here. I don't know the life story on this one, but it looked like it doesn't work. So, oh my gosh, this thing's heavy. Hold on. All right, there we go. There we go. Just lay it like that. I'm gonna swing it around, like so. Ooh, all that water and that gas coming out. I mean, water and oil. Look at that. It was gonna fall. Hold on, don't come down. No, no, no. Now come down. Come this way. Look at all that water and oil coming out, man. Dang, I swear this motor run though. I swear it runs. I guarantee it runs. Pistons is good, they work. They knocking and shit, but they work. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Anime? Damn, anime. Jeez. Yeah, that'll work if you drop it. Moving bikes with one hand, baby. Yeah. Now who's gonna give me a massage one? I need a massage. All right, go ahead, pick it up and lean it. You'll learn. Pick it up so you don't hit nothing. Got it? Yeah. Look at that. Look at this. Look. Money right there, baby. It ain't gonna fall, it's tilted that way. I ain't worrying. Yeah, I got insurance. I'll let my arm get hit. Come on. Marking men for Christ, that's what it says on the front. If anybody was curious, I don't know. Oh, look at all that sludge coming out. All right, it's cool right here. Yeah, lean it. You should be able to. Yep, there you go. One more. One more. Oh, so close. Hold up. Michael Jordan. Hey! Oh, shit. For real? You didn't see me do that MJ fadeaway? You didn't see me do that MJ fadeaway? You didn't see me do the MJ fadeaway? Oh, you suck. This things need to be parked in the trash bin too. Who needs power steering, bro? I'm not gonna lie, this is some medieval shit right here though. I bet none of y'all ever seen this in real life, huh? A board with a billion goddamn nails in it. Boy, come jumping over my fence if you want to. Jesus, this thing right here is a death trap. Look at it. Ooh! Ooh! Hey, is this for sale?
Maybe.
I mean, this is gonna sit here and rot.
Probably.
I'm probably just gonna take it home. I'm gonna take it home and put it in my truck, and whoever feels like they wanna go in my garage or my gate or something, I'm not gonna be mad. I mean, I'm gonna be glad it worked.
What are you gonna do?
Bury half of it in the dirt, and then just throw like leaves and bullshit over it.
I thought you was gonna press somebody in it.
Press somebody? Nah, just if they jump over it.
Lay down in here.
Like, fuck, hold on, I'm coming.
Holy shit.
I know you ain't moving this. You didn't even budget. Let me get the front. Let me get the front. That way I can lead.
You can get it on. You want me to hold your phone?
Oh yeah, hold my phone there. Fuck.
I don't know why the hell I'm using the forklift. I really don't. Sorry, I'm making you actually work.
Oh no, it's okay. I know the forklift is limited. Oh look, recycling. Gotta throw something in here? No. You tired? I know you ain't tired. Oh, no power steering. Ah. Huh?
I'm actually doing something.
I know. They say APF guys don't work. We just sit behind the counter. I mean, you sit behind the counter. Ugh. I ain't gonna lie, this thing still had like hella good parts on it. Brand new brakes, spindle, radiator fan. Oh Hey, go up. Go up. You ain't gonna make it.
Push it that way a little. There.
Oh shit, the Boston came on me. You should have it. Yeah, you should have it. Just go up with it now.
Well, I gotta get on the other side of that wire.
Look at him. Look at him. Just coming back here to be nosy. Look at him. He ain't even say nothing. No good morning, no nothing. Nosy. Just nosy. All I do is work. right, I guess I'll pull it off. You ready? One hand. And I'm about to go back to work. Just showing y'all what a real man do all day.